Hi friends! Today we are learning about addition stories. But this big word means that we are going to be learning about math stories. You solve them by counting. All addition stories tell us information and ask us a question. I know you are all very good at counting, so let's get started. Here's our first story. Turn on your listening ears, and here we go. I went to the store and bought some treats. I bought ice cream and a cupcake. How many treats did I buy altogether? So let's look at this story. What information did it tell us? It told us that I bought some treats, right? The question it asks is how many treats did I buy altogether? So let's solve this. First, in this box here, you see the ice cream. How many ice creams did I buy? Let's count. 1. Good. So I'm going to write a 1 in the box and also draw a dot. I write my 1 and draw 1 dot, so that will help me count. How many cupcakes did I buy? 1. So I'm going to write a 1 here. I'm going to draw 1 dot to help me count underneath of it. So 1 ice cream and 1 cupcake is how many treats? Now we're going to go down to the dots that we made that are going to help us count. Let's count the dots. 1, 2. Good. So 1 ice cream and 1 cupcake is 2 treats. Let's write a 2. I'm going to write my 2 and I'm also going to put 2 dots. And that will help me keep track of how many. All right, are you ready for the next one? You're doing a great job. Okay, turn on your listening ears for this story. I was coloring a picture. I colored some shapes. I colored some hearts and some triangles. How many shapes did I color altogether? So what's the information here in this story? The information is I colored some shapes. The question this addition story asks us is how many shapes altogether? So we see the hearts and we see the triangle. Now we just write our numbers down and it will help us count how many. In the first box is a heart. How many hearts? Let's count together. Are you ready? 1, 2. 2 hearts. So what number will I write in this box? Very good. 2. I will also draw 2 dots because that will help me count. 1, 2. Very good. Now this box asks for the triangles. How many triangles? Let's count together. 1. So in this box, I will write the number 1. Very good. And now I will draw 1 dot. So we have 2 hearts and 1 triangle is how many shapes? Let's figure it out by counting our dots that we made to help us count. 1, 2, 3. So how many shapes do we have all together? Very good. We have 3. I'm going to draw 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. 2 hearts and 1 triangle is 3 shapes. You did a great job today, boys and girls. So we learned about addition stories. We know they are math stories where we use counting to solve them. They all tell us information and they all ask us a question.